Hi guys, welcome to Working Those Cues. Coming to you this Sunday. We're gonna call it a self-care Sunday, and I'm sorry about the vent. I'm cooking. If you can hear that in the background, so I'm gonna try to speak up. But we're gonna call this self-care Sunday. I know it's a little different from what I normally bring. I have not been couponing as much, guys, with the coronavirus and some other things going on. I just have not been in the mood to coupon lately. I'm pretty stocked up, just some things that we need. More than often I'll go out and get, but other than that, I try to go home and go to work and come back home. So anyhow, with all this going on, I have not been I have not been, let me put it like this. I am an essential employee, so I've been going back and forth to work. They've opened up my city to 50% capacity now. We're in phase 2. So I still haven't been going anywhere, hardly, not near as much as I normally do. So with that being said, I've started to notice my skin, my face. I had a few hyperpigmentation spots. I have hyperpigmentation in my face. So I wanted to start to concentrate more on my skin. So with doing that, of course, I went and ordered some things that I felt I might need. Watched a few YouTube gurus, and I've jumped clean into it, honey. So I just wanted to share you guys with the haul that I gotten from. I got some things from Amazon, some things from Kohl's.com. I have things from Sephora, from just all kinds of things. So I'll get into it. The first thing is my Nano facial steamer, which I absolutely love. If you're going to do a spa day, this is a must, okay? I suffer with dry skin. I mean, no combination of dry, just dry. So I decided to get this. This was on Amazon. It's the KINGA. And I want to say it was 30 something dollars. And if I can, guys, I'll link some of this stuff below in the description box for you. So that I got that. I also picked up this Sonic cleansing system by Nova. It's by Spa Sciences. Sorry, this is absolutely wonderful. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Just depends on how much time I have, or whatever. But this is awesome. This was $40 from Kohl's.com. Let's see. I also got a few things to make it a little easy for me when I'm doing spa day. This is just some headbands to kind of pull my hair back. This was off of Amazon. I think I may have paid $12 or something. This is something else from Amazon. It's like a cleaning sponge. You can wet this with just water, I think, and it removes your makeup or something. That's another thing. I don't wear makeup. So that's why I want my skin to glow. I'm looking for that glow, honey, because I don't wear makeup. I don't care. I may wear lip gloss and eyeliner from time to time, but as far as like a full face of makeup, I don't do it. I don't wear concealers and powders, and I don't wear any of that. Foundation, I don't wear that. For my anniversary, Friday, me and my husband and I, we went out to eat. I had on some eyeliner and I had on some blush and some lip gloss, I think. So that's it. So that's why I'm really focused on my skin, because I don't want to wear all the makeup. I mean, to each his own. Nothing against makeup. I'm just not a makeup girl. So the next thing, guys, is something that I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to use it. This is a brush by Anissa. I'm definitely gonna put her link. This is a fancy smashy brush for serums. You can put your serums in there, so you can have exactly enough, and you can distribute it across your face evenly. See that little hole? But I don't know if you guys have heard of Anissa, but I ordered that. Shout out to Sadale Curry for tipping me onto that. I also picked up and tipped me onto this facial steamer. I also picked up these mask brushes. These are brushes that you can use to apply your mask. So I picked up those tools to, you know, do my little facials and spa days or whatever. And like I said, I will try to link everything below. This is like more of the tools that I got to use, and I'm going to come back to you guys with another video on the actual products that I have been using. It will be a second part to this because I don't want the video to be too long. But thanks for watching. As always, I'm going to try to put all the info in the description box in case you guys would like to get any of these tools that I am sharing with you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.